laws don't pick a lane. They read the same forwards, back, lane to lane. But life chose a direction, and we learned to live with the stain. Flip the tape, particles clap, collision plays the same on rewind. Newton don't judge force, mass acceleration, time align. Maxwell waves curl, oscillate, symmetric like a rhyme. Quantum math sits neutral till the act of measurement crimes. You watch two atoms bump, you can't tell which way the film ran. Micro moves mirror deterministic steady hand. But outside my window, ice falls to water, smoke don't condense. Eggs don't reassemble, memory stacked in 1/10. Why the arrow, why the march, why the one way of our days? Why the cosmos keep receipts of how the former light decays? The laws don't care about direction, play the footage back is clean. But the world picks a side, rolls the dice, splits the seam. Entropy climbs, chaos spreads, that's the thermodynamic prayer. We inherit the arrow, cause the start was shockingly fair. Entropy's the whisper, Boltzmann wrote it like a sermon. Disorder wants to roam, energy spreads, heats the burdens. Gas fills the room, scent fades out, probabilities rise. Microstates multiply, macros memorize, demise. 1,000 microtruths can make a single macro lie. Reversible equations, but the ensemble tells you why. Statistics stack, the likely wins, disorder grows like tide. So your coffee cools your children, ages secrets drift and slide. Still the question hangs, why begin with low entropy pristine? Why the early universe moves, simple, almost obscene. Big bang, born small, low entropy like a clean slate, smooth space-time. Low irregularity, improbable state, space stretches, entry can climb with expansions gain. But who wrote the opening lines, who lit the first flame? Is it initial condition, boundary set by some hand? Is it geometry of the cosmos, topology's demand? Is quantum collapse the teller that decides a now? Is gravity the sculptor making microstates bow? Cosmo keeps secrets, horizon hides the ledger. Inflation smooths the canvas, but don't explain the measure. Time's arrow is a relic of where the book begun. A past low entropy clause, staple to the sun. We build stories, cause effect, so our hearts can navigate. Memories a one-way alley, identity's a state. Maybe it's chance, maybe law, maybe multiverse tease. Maybe measurement breaks the mirror shards of histories. But truth sits patient, a patient with no hurry. We feel the pull of forward while the mass says don't worry. The laws don't care about direction, play the footage back is clean. But the world picks a side, rolls the dice, splits the seam. Entropy climbs, chaos spreads, that's the thermodynamic prayer. We inherit the arrow, cause the start was shockingly fair. So we live in the mismatch, microsymmetry, macro scar. We age like burned film, we map every scar. Possibilities crowd the edges, initial bang, space-time shape, quantum max, gravity's weight, answers hiding in the drape. Until then we keep praying, calculating, wondering why low entropy's a sermon. The arrow teaches us to die alone.